How to get Doordash orders faster. Step 1. Open Doordash app. Launch the Doordash app on your phone. Step 2. Go to Retail. Tap Retail in the bottom menu. Step 3. Search or browse. Search or scroll to find stores. Step 4. Check deals. Look for blue tags for discounts. Step 5. Pick items. Select what you want to order. Step 6. Delivery time. Choose stores with 30 minutes of delivery. Step 7. Review and checkout. Check your cart and proceed to checkout. Step 8. Add instructions, provide delivery notes if needed. Step 9. Payment. Pay for items, fees, tips and taxes. Step 10. Track progress. Receive alerts on Dasher's progress. Step 11. Approve substitutions. Be ready to OK replacements if required. Step 12. Delivery arrival. Accept your delivery when it arrives. And then you have it. So this is how to get Doordash orders faster. Thanks for watching.